Go back to your den, Simba. I don't babysit.
Hey Sue Gang, and welcome back to my channel. So your girl has created the scar look and I look marvelous. I know, right? But we all know the famous scar from Lion King. I think I did a really good job, but if you guys want to stay tuned to see how I got this look, then let's go. Let's get into the video, okay? Let's go.
Black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, 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 yeah. Queen, queen.
Hey babes, so we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna go in with our baby skin primer. And after that we're gonna go in and start with our brows. I did go ahead and arch my eyebrows. And I'm using my Anastasia kit. The deep brown, I think it's called. I forgot, y'all. I ain't did makeup in so long, but I was so lit doing this video. I was still listening to Nicki Minaj, some old Nicki Minaj. But this video is not very detailed, but it gives you enough information that you need to know. Okay, so brows are done, so we're going to go in with our Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and we're going to outline our eyebrows like so. Yeah, I can't believe I did this. I was really challenged by a friend to do it, so I'm like, okay, why not give it a try? And it didn't look super hard, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and blend our brows, and now we're gonna go in with our box of crayons palette, and we're gonna use the brown, and I am just applying that first, and then I'm gonna go in with this shimmer orange like glitter color. I'm gonna show you guys in 1 second. I forgot to put it up first, but that color. And now we're gonna go in with some black and put on our lids so we can get that dark smoky look. And now we're gonna go ahead and put some black under our lids as well to give it a more, you know, dramatic. And now I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner, and now we're going to go in with some H2O liquid liner. Y'all, I have a hard time doing my wing eye every time. Like, I'm like, when will I ever get this? Like, it's just so complicated. And you'll think that'll be the easiest thing. I was so mad when I had that. Right now we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty. Y'all, I love this. I need to give me some more. That Aries lipstick, the red she got, oh my god. But we're going to go ahead and blend that makeup in with our beauty blender. And now this is how that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do my scar. So I did use this brush right here, and eventually I went in with another brush because I didn't like the way that looked, and I wanted to get like the sharp pointy look at the edges of each scar. So I did go ahead and with a smaller brush, and you will see that in a second. There you go. And it gives me more of a point, so I can do like the yeah. I don't even know what I was gonna say, but now we're gonna go ahead and start our muzzle. Y'all, I clearly did not like this because it looked so ashy, so I had went in with my cream contour Anastasia kit. I don't know why I didn't show you guys, but this one was way better. It was literally like a great color for the muzzle. So the little nose is kind of somewhat my favorite part, and it was super easy. So I am going in and with the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and going over just the tip of my nose, and we're gonna go ahead and draw our little line straight down, and I'm using lip liner for all of this, like the same lip liner. Lip liner, eyeliner, whatever. So we're gonna put our little whiskers on, and I'm gonna do 4 on each side. I was trying to make sure I did them right. I didn't want them too dark neither, so. But yes, oh my god, I actually did this. I would never thought I would even do like a video on something like this, but I did. Okay, so I was trying to do the inspired look from Lily or whatever, and she only had one lip, but I decided to do both of mine. Put my own twist to it, But yes, that's the look. And I decided to go ahead and go around the muzzle really lightly. But yes, I'm finna go and put my lashes on. So the look is complete. It's finally done. I feel like I did a great freaking job, I didn't need a wig because your girl already got the hair. And it's Halloween. I was inspired by Lily on the Beat. I synced her, post hers on Facebook, and I wanted to put my own twist to it. She didn't have whiskers. She only had her top lip black. I will insert a picture so you guys can see. I loved hers. I really did. I really loved hers. I didn't show you guys the lashes I put on, but these are Suzie Collection. The name Suzie. These will be in stock really soon. They are on the way. But you guys, I really enjoyed making this look. When I watched the video, I really thought it looked this simple, and it was really simple. Of course, I always have trouble on my angel eye, wing eye, whatever you want to call it. I could never get that down packed, but whatever, I got it. It looks great. This look is amazing. I look great with this. And I thought the scar was going to be like really hard to create, but it was simple. Like, this look was really simple. If you want to try it, go ahead and try it, because if I did it, you can do it. But yes, y'all, I really like this. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment section, okay? I haven't did makeup in a while. Oh my god, like, I really don't like wearing makeup anymore, so that's another reason why I haven't been doing it. Right now I am lashes and eyeliner in my little beauty marks. But yes, this look was really dope, You guys, please subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'm trying to reach a goal by the end of the year. Oh my god, by the end of 2019, I'm trying to reach a goal on my subscribers. So help me out. Subscribe down below. My channel is everywhere, and I know a lot of people love it. I give you guys DIYs, life hacks, vlogs, pranks, everything. So make sure you guys subscribe down below, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that bell button to be notified when your girl posts. Let me know what y'all think about this scarred look, okay? Because I think I did a good job. But I love you guys so much, Sue Gang, and I'm out. Peace.